Students, this is video number 4 from the lesson Lost Spring. In this video, we are going to discuss question answers from past papers. Students, let's take first question. To which country did Sahib's parents originally belong? Why did they come to India? Or why did Sahib's parents leave Dhaka and migrate to India? Or why had the ragpickers come to live in Simapuri? Answer is Sahib's parents belong to Dhaka in Bangladesh. Many years ago, they left their homes and migrated to India in search of a livelihood. Because their homes and fields were destroyed in storms, so they settled in the slums of Simapuri. Our next question is, what job did Sahib take up? Was he happy? This question came in exam in 2014. Sahib took up work at a tea stall where he had to perform several odd jobs, including getting milk from the milk booth. He was not happy because he was no longer his own master. Students, the next question is, in what sense is garbage gold to the ragpickers? Or, garbage to them is gold. Why does the author say so about the ragpickers? In your answer, you can write down, garbage is gold to the ragpickers of Simapuri because it provides them items which can be sold for cash, which can buy them food and is a means of survival for them. Moreover, it is gold also because the ragpickers can find stray coins and currency notes in it. The next question is, how is Mukesh different from the other bangle makers of Firozabad? This question came in 2014 exams. Mukesh has the courage to dream big in spite of all adversities, whereas other bangle makers of Firozabad have resigned to their fate and have suppressed their hopes. Mukesh refuses to follow the God-given lineage of bangle making and wants to be a motor mechanic when he grows up. The next question is, whom does Anis Chung blame for the sorry plight of the bangle makers? This question came in 2014 exams. Anis Chung blames the middlemen, the policemen, the lawmakers, the bureaucrats and the politicians. Students, our next question is, what is Mukesh's dream? Do you think he will be able to fulfill his dream? Why or why not? In this answer, you can include the following key points. You can tell that Mukesh's dream is to become a motor mechanic. No doubt it is quite difficult for him to achieve his dream, but with his hard work, strong determination, he can achieve that dream. Let's take up the next question now. In spite of despair and disease pervading the lives of the slum children, they are not devoid of hope. How far do you agree? In this answer, you can include the following key points. You can say that yes, it is true that their lives are full of despair and disease, but they are hopeful. You can give here the example of Sahib, who is a ragpicker, but who is eager to go to school and learn. You can give the example of Mukesh also, who wants to become a motor mechanic. Students, the next question is, who is Mukesh and what is his dream? Mukesh is a child laborer. He works in a glass bangle making factory in Firozabad. He belongs to a poor family. The tradition in that family is to be a bangle maker, but he wants to become a motor mechanic. The next question is, Why could the bangle makers not organize themselves into a cooperative? You can include the following key points. You can say that they could not do so because they were trapped in the vicious circle of sahukars, middlemen, policemen, bureaucrats, and politicians. Let's take up the next question. Mention any two hazards of working in bangle industry. You can take up the following key points. You can write that they have to work in glass furnaces with high temperature, in dingy cells without air and light, and it affects their eyesight also. The children, the child laborers, they lose their eyesight at an early age.